Oh boy. Hello, I am Corey Shepherd. This is here, here. I should also known as Father Corey. I messed up my own intro. Classic. Possessed owl at fuck. Fuck. Possessed owl asks itself who. I don't think that one has a noise. Okay. So I'm supposed to make a noise after. Possessed owl learns to love itself. Okay, that one was the worst noise I've come up with so far, so we're gonna keep on going here. Possessed owl using sissy hypno. Would it work? Did it work? Did that work? I don't. Let me know in the put it worked. Okay. Possessed owl flies through a shark tornado into a shark tsunami, releasing the shark nuke. Shark nuclear winter is coming. The noises are getting worse. There's no saving this. Shut it down. Possessed owl points its Draco at the IRS. Somebody send me help. I mean, I could call a couple numbers. New business ideas. Screaming. How are we gonna sell it? Billion. I should have done the scream and then maybe. Okay, we're gonna move on. New business idea. Hannah Montana on a mountain. How are we gonna sell it? It's Hannah Montana again, but on a mountain. It's the exact same show. Mountains of money. Okay. All right. Next. So on to the next new business idea. You have business meetings inside of business meetings about business. How are we gonna sell it? You want to do fuck. You want your business to do business. Then you're gonna need more business meetings. And there isn't a money ratio for that one. I wasn't clever enough. Okay. Nice. Okay. Dark jester mode, telling jokes into a cold, dead, empty room. How do you make a king bleed? Throw a dead chicken in his face. I'm breeding bread. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, except for this. Who was Sniffles? And that's it. Thank God that's over. I'm so bad at outros, bro. It's like I'm supposed to end this. Okay.